Welcome back, boys and girls. I had to make 2 videos after all. I had the wrong letter cards out. So, boys and girls, looking up here, we're going to learn our next vowel consonant E sound, which we know because we learned before that if there's a vowel consonant E, that it's going to be the long vowel sound. The vowel's going to say its name. So before we get started, let's review this card. Vowel consonant E. A vowel followed by a consonant and a silent E is long. Code the vowel with a macron and cross out the silent E. Now we also can call it sneaky E or bossy E, but our rule card says that it's silent E. So today, the letter sound we're going to work on, the vowel consonant sound we're going to work on is long O, O consonant E, O, the O in hose. Okay, this is a water hose. So O consonant E, O, the O in hose. So I'm going to set this over here. Whoop! Maybe I'm going to set it down. Maybe I'm going to drop it. Oh, I don't think it's going to stay, friends. There we go. Okay, boys and girls. So let's look up here at these words and let's practice coding them. If we tried to sound this out and we weren't going to use our silent final E, we would say t, a, n, ton, ton. That is not a word. So we see this E at the end and we know that it is not making a sound because it's a vowel consonant silent E, and we're going to code it, or we're going to say them. So this word is t-own, tone. Tone is the way something sounds. If it sounds the tone of a note, it might be high, it might be low. The tone of my voice, if I'm mad, you'll know I'm mad because I sound mad. But if I'm happy, you'll know I'm happy, and I'll sound happy. That's tone. So the first one is tone. So we look at this word and we know, uh-oh, that E does not make a sound. So what should we do? Well, let's think about our rule. A vowel followed by a consonant and a silent final E is long. Code it with a macron, cross out the E. So now it says t-own, tone. Let's look at this word. This word is spoke, spoke. We see a vowel, a consonant, a silent final E. This is O, the O in hose, so we would code it with a macron. See this consonant? See the silent final E? Cross it out. Spoke. Now it's going to be really important to practice these next year in first grade, but in kindergarten we're just kind of practicing. So here we go, one last word. You guys try and figure this out. We've already done tone and spoke, so we know this O is going to be long, and we know this is a silent final E because that's what we're working on. So look at that word. Sound it out. What do you hear? Rope? Or rope? Which one is the word? Rope or rope? If you said rope, you're right. Okay, we have the long O, like O, the O in hose, a vowel followed by a consonant and a silent final E is long. Code it with a macron, cross out the E. Now we have the word rope. Rope. Okay, so when you hear the O sound on your spelling sound review, when your mom or dad makes the O sound, here's how you're going to write it. And here's what you're going to say. You're going to say O consonant E comma, O. That's how you're going to write that on the line. O, consonant, E, comma, O. So, boys and girls, I'm going to say it again. I'm going to make the O sound, and I want you to say how you're going to write it, and then I'll write it. So, my sound is O. How would you write it? Tell your mom or dad. Okay, if you said O, consonant E, comma, O, then you were correct. Good job. Thank you for listening. I'll talk to you soon.